Today, volunteers with the Red Cross gave away free fire alarms in a North Tyler neighborhood. It's part of the nationwide campaign called Sound the Alarm, which aims to help homeowners improve safety and have peace of mind. Fire alarm number 50,001 went to Maureen Cash.
I feel wonderful. I'm so glad that Red Cross chose us to do this. Get you some fire alarms.
Tyler Mayor Don Warren was in attendance at the event. He proclaimed October 7th as American Red Cross Sounds the Alarm Day. Mayor Warren encourages citizens to support this endeavor throughout the year.